Hi guys and welcome back. I think you guys can't see the numbers clearly, but this reading is for all people born on the 3rd, the 12th, 21st or 30th of any month. Let's see what the month of December is bringing for you guys. So we're going to start with the oracle cards. The first oracle card I have for you is Saraswati, which is the goddess of learning. And then let's look at the blessings that we have. Success in education, perfection of memory, enhanced intellectual ability, mastery of musical instruments. So all these may not apply for you, but if you want to kind of worship a goddess, or if you want to meditate on a goddess, I think this is your goddess for the month of December. What is she going to give you and what blessings she's going to bring you are basically learning. So anything related to learning, you guys could be enrolling in a new course, you guys could be giving exams, you guys could be learning something new. Your intellectual ability, your intelligence is going to be enhanced. You're going to do good, intellectually. Anything which is related to learning and all, you guys are going to do absolutely good. So this is a wonderful goddess that you could actually worship to this month, and she's actually going to do a lot of things for you. Let's look at another oracle card from the Whispers of Lord Ganesha deck that I have for you. So belonging. So not only are you going to be learning, but number 41, belonging. Now when you look at this card, just look at how Lord Ganesha is sitting there, with a lot of things, and belonging. Especially, you see there's a leash. So for a lot of people, I think you are going to be spending a lot of time with your family. Those feeling of belonging to a family, to belonging to someone, are going to be really high. So if you look at these two cards, so if you look at these two cards, what these cards are trying to tell you is that with the belonging card, and especially with the learning card, the chances that you are going to be learning something to belong to a community. So if a lot of you are giving exams, to kind of pass through a certain certification, you're going to belong to that community of people. So if a lot of you are learning tarot, that means you're going to belong to a community of tarot card readers. So that is happening for you. I see that happening for you. So please take it, how it resonates. Just kind of adapt it, to your situation, to understand better in terms of how learning and belonging are going to go, are going to work in terms of, or in regards of, your situation. Let's see from tarot what is. Oops, you guys have a lot of energy. All right, I'm back. Sorry. Let's see, what is going on in your life from tarot. So the first card I have for you is the Four of Raphael, which is the Four of Cups. Seek out other possibilities, look for the magic in life, and be aware of your own emotions. So a lot of you guys, you have been sort of, maybe you guys have been in a low, you're vibrating at a lower level, and you're not recognizing the blessings and all the good things that you have in life. For a lot of people, this card showing up also tells me that because of COVID, because of all pandemic situation, you guys are maybe scattered, or you were just being alone. You feel like you have lost the will to live, sort of thing. It could be for a lot of singles, I don't know why, but a lot of singles, they feel like this COVID happening has impacted their love life, and they're never going to find that someone. And this card showing up exactly tells you that you need to seek out other possibilities. You need to be aware of what your own emotions are, because having an emotion just for 17 seconds is capable of transforming it to actual situation in your life. So if you are not vibrating at a higher level, trust me, things are not going to improve. The next card I have for you is the Six of Ariel. Material needs get fulfilled in magical and unexpected ways. Acts of kindness, giving or receiving with a grateful heart. So understanding the magic that you have, because if you understand that magic, you are going to be creating financial abundance. If that is the problem area, you are just going to be creating abundance in general through magical moves. Just thinking about it and you're going to have it. So you guys are, you're learning. I think this month your focus is going to be learning on how to manifest, and how to manifest better, and how to understand that manifestation does not ask you to be desperate, but it teaches you to leave things to the universe. The next card I have for you is the Seven of Ariel. See, now you're making progress from number 6 to 7. So 4, 6, and 7. You have invested wisely. Have patience and wait for the harvest. Review your progress and make plans for the next endeavor. Exactly what I was saying. So a lot of you, just catching up on what the spirit is saying, but you guys are going to be making a lot of plans. You are going to be implementing. You are going to learn how to trust and how to have patience. But a lot of you, I think you are going to be doing manifestation rituals of some kind this month, like 100%. The next card I have for you is the Queen of Gabriel. You can do anything right now. Go after what you want, the ability to attract helpful people. See, told you. So if you go after what you want, especially related to, learning and belonging, you're going to find your tribe. This card tells me that you are going to be passionate, you are going to be charming, and you're going to be independent, and you are going to find the place where you belong. You're going to find your tribe, your people, and you know exactly where you have to be. And December is going to be like a turning point in your life. The next card I have for you is the Eight of Ariel. Take pride in your excellent work. Practice makes perfect. Consider getting additional education or training. Oh my god, remember where we talked about learning? And then you have this card. Talk about, synchronicities, or, the universe giving you hints and signals. You have to learn something, guys. You have to invest your time wisely and learn something new. Work for it, do it, and it is going to bring you abundance. The next card I have for you is the Knight of Michael. Take time to move quickly. Choose logic over emotion and sudden changes. So if you are going to choose this wisely, especially people who have not been getting job, if you are preparing for exams or if you are preparing for interview, I think you guys are going to be successful and things are going to move pretty quickly. Like as soon as January starts, things are going to move like so quickly. You are going to be amazed. The next card oh my god, it's like whatever I'm saying is going to happen. So new beginnings, starting a new life, finding your purpose, a forgiving and compassionate review of the past. So a lot of you are going to be starting something new. Especially work related, especially education related, also related to your finances. You could be starting something new. So I do see a new start for a lot of people. Even the birth number 1 pile had a lot of new starts coming in. So the last card I have for you is the Ten of Ariel. There is so much to be grateful for. Financial success, 100%, guys. Your finances are going to improve. I would not say, you are going to get something, like you're going to get a taste of it in December, but your growth, or the actual fruits of your labor are going to happen next year. Especially the first quarter of next year, you are going to see, whatever you have learned, whatever you have worked hard on, it is going to bring you those fruits, and you're going to be very, very successful. uh, have a lovely December and Merry Christmas.